Hello everyone, my name is Untitled Chapter. I am from the EFST team and I will be presenting the MetaTrader 5 and MetaEditor 5 introduction. The product owner and mentor for this project is Dr. Masood Sajadi. To first begin, we must go to the metacodes.net website. Here we can download the MetaTrader 5 and MetaEditor 5 softwares. So we go ahead and click on this MetaTrader 5 tab. We scroll down until we find the download button. Download MetaTrader 5, open demo account, and experience basic trading. There's usually some more under different names for different things. Pretty redundant. So you click here, it'll give you the pop-up. You download it, and you should get both the MetaTrader 5 and MetaEditor 5 softwares. First, let's begin in the MetaTrader 5 software. We want to first add some currency pairs to the market watch window over here on the left. To do so, you press Ctrl U or click on this icon, or you can go to View and select the symbols. You're prompted with this window where here you can search for specific currency pairs or scroll through and find a specific one that you might want. Any grayed out icons means that they're not being displayed in the market watch window currently. You double click it and it gets added. To open up a new chart, you go to this icon here on the top left, create new chart, and these are the major currency pairs. If you want one from your window here on the left, you scroll over to Forex and you're prompted with all the options that you're currently watching. We'll keep Euro USD for now. To change the time frame displayed here currently as M5, you would go to Charts, Time Frame, and M1. It'll load up and change the time frame. We'll stick with M5 for now. To open up an expert advisor, an indicator, an oscillator, you would go to Navigator, find the expert advisor or indicator that you want, double click it. You're prompted with this window. Currently, we have modifiable inputs. We'll keep it as is for now. Click OK, and you see that you have the expert advisor attached. It's because it's right here in the top right. It's currently able to automatically trade. To pause that, we can click here, and it'll stop it. You can see right here it has the red square. To start it again, we just click it. To change to candlesticks or have a bar, you would do so in the chart. You can also add grid. From here, you can look at the volume or the tick size. Here in window, if you have multiple currency pairs that you want to look at, you can maybe tile it horizontally, cascade, or tile 2, 3, or 4 windows at the same time. Currently, since we're not using more than one, we don't have that option to view, but I can quickly open up another one to show. We can also click here on this icon, and it will automatically do it for us. Currently, we'll keep this one open as the main one. To open the meta editor straight from here, you would click on this icon here. To open up a new order, you could do so here or here to quick buy. You can double click and you can modify this. You can modify the volume, stop loss, any comments that you want, and you would buy or sell from here. The window here at the bottom, you have your current balance and equity, any open trades. Here in exposure is how much of your money is in a certain currency, for example. In history, you can see your entire history of trades that you've made. We can make a quick trade here. So we can see that in the trade tab, we have this one that we just made. We'll quickly go ahead and close it from here. And we can also see in history at the very bottom the trade we just made. We can change the way the bars or ticks are displayed. Currently it's using a bar chart. We can change it to candlesticks or a line graph. Most of the times you probably would want to use a candlestick or the bar chart, as these are more descriptive. Whenever you have a buy or sell, they can be noted with these icons here. To open up the strategy tester, we go to View and click on Strategy Tester. We'll go to Run Single Test of an Expert Advisor. We can select the expert, the currency pair, the time frame, the period for back testing, and then we can choose a forward period. This is the delay, and this is how you want to model the history testing. Initial deposit in the currency that you want and a margin. And you can select this to see the data as if it were in the live trading chart, but that does take longer. When we open up MetaEditor 5, we are prompted with this. We have a navigator to the left. If we want to open up any files, you would find it here. You can double click it. We'll open up the Scalp PV6 Expert Advisor file. Here on the very top, you can compile it. At the very bottom, you can see if you have any errors, it would be in this tab. Gets generated, compiled. Then here, this icon, it would take you to the MetaTrader 5, open up a historical testing instance and automatically start it for you. This right here would automatically start the Expert Advisor on live data. Here you have the option to pause or stop any of the two. You can style your code here, clicking on this. If you want to go straight to MetaTrader 5, you can do so from here. If you want to create a new file, you would do so here. Here you have the option to create an Expert Advisor from template or generate one. You can make a custom indicator, a script, a service, a library, an MQH file. Or from here, project, where you can make similar things but encases it in a project, such as the Expert Advisor from template, or generate one, the custom indicator, script, service, or library. Notice if you want to create an includable file or an MQH file, you would have to create a new file and not a new project. And that concludes the introduction for MetaTrader 5 and MetaEditor 5. Again, my name is Angel Apolinario. My contact information is displayed. And the mentor and product owner's contact information is also displayed. Thank you.